Be knowing that they'll be starting against Newcastle. For others, maybe they'll be asking.
But it's very different now. Inter Milan really changed. Torino scored against England in the World Cup for Croatia. The summer window, Trevor Chalobah has come in for team selection because for the first time in a Liverpool shirt, Alexis McAllister, the last player to return. And Liverpool are back to looking with such passion for part two of Liverpool against Col. Well, he has said, hasn't he, Andoni Iraola? And when they got the news they'd qualified for the Champions League, there was, in his very illustrious playing days, at the ball that's lucky for Isak. Full-back finds another. Look at Milos Kika is on the charge. He felt he was fouled. The referee indicates it was more of a coming. Isak Gravenberg towards Virgil Van Dijk. It's a good header away at the near post by Trevor Chalobah. Chalobah with the header. That's Isak! Well, it's a touch of magic that deserved better from Alexander Isak. Just wouldn't quite come round for him.
A wonderful effort, wasn't it? Saw exactly what he wanted to do, try and bend it towards a far corner. Does everything right.
The penalty area there have Liverpool. The strike comes. Terrific start to the game. He goes for the gap and makes it through the gap. And Alexander Isak tried to get a touch. Ngamo couldn't quite keep it. Italians. It's a lovely step. And it's a really good challenge once again. There's one thing getting initially around Jeremy from Vicuña. Dangerous. Vitz. Lovely play by Liverpool.
To win the ball back, and then between himself, Cody Gakpo.
Little running behind his Vicuña. A player. He actually almost fell into the... And Szoboszlai. It's just the wrong side of the post. Como almost gifting Liverpool a goal.
Yeah, but again, it's Liverpool players.
They're backing off. And Frimpong's ball. Cody Gakpo! Super Liverpool goal. Made quite brilliantly by Jeremy Frimpong. And Cody Gakpo made the finish look remarkable. Taking a little bang there as Alexander Isak. To life at Liverpool as well. Frustrating not being able to play. Go toe-to-toe with him. That's a lovely ball that slid through. They're trying to work the opening, and the strike is good. The save even better from Alisson. Brilliant stop to deny. It's a shit. It's on by Jan Koto again. His ball looking for... Might break for Ngamo as well. That's a good block. He defended the situation. A storm again. Szoboszlai's take. Van Dijk with the... From Vicuña. Liverpool try again. The ball is delivered. And Virgil Van Dijk had stayed forward. And very nearly got on the end of it.
He's asking the referee. He thinks it's a corner.
Making ground. A lovely slip through. And they make good ground. This is Luis Mia. Dangerous looking ball. Guess who? Jeremy Jacquet there to turn the ball behind with another 5. Andoni Iraola, I'm certain will be for Gakpo. It's the new man. Ronaldo Araujo, the Uruguayan. Guess again. Long. And put behind by Keiki Bruno. Back to Van Dijk, and this is Gakpo across the face and goal! What a half it's been for Jeremy Jacquet. His first 45 minutes in a Liverpool shirt is capped with the first goal for the club. Doesn't get much better than that.
What a
Liverpool getting themselves in front with... They've been absolutely outstanding from the opening whistle.
Be better for their second season here.
Well, Jeremy Jacquet's just had a brilliant... Much Barcelona's loss and he strengthens this Liverpool squad. Taste of action at Anfield this afternoon as well.
What is my new favourite? Ping pong. Where's the cover for him? You know, Conor Bradley not.
We've got numbers running again. It's a good run in behind. And just in the end, Dominic Szoboszlai get the ball back here as well. And that's on towards the strike, which Alisson will save from Dovikos. Straight forwards on. Szoboszlai with the challenge, which the referee will penalise him for. Big Liverpool defensive wall, but the ball's got to get over, and it does. SNL, and at the top of the tree as well. Araujo, pass from Isak, just as Jesus Rodriguez. It's a threaded ball. Alexander Isak just slows him down a little, but here's Vince, and then arriving at pace. He had to hit it. Playing abroad. Jan Koto, that's a decent ball. It's a very good take by Alisson. Como just looking for something to lay a found. One by De Cunha for Jan Koto. He picks out Jesus Rodriguez. Trying to step away from Frimpong and catch Alisson out of the near post. Again. Little ball for Dovikos. Wonderful take and turn. There's a brilliant challenge. Liverpool's captain coming to the rescue. Rodriguez again. Araujo was in the way.
And the likes of Van Dijk, he's only had 60 minutes of pre-season action.
And that change, it is Rio Ngamoa who will make way. Baturina. And cross is delivered. Ball for Jesus Rodriguez. That's De Cunha by Paz. Jan Koto. He's quick and he's direct. And he was the best young player in Serie A. Win the ball back, João. And this new season,
23, Victor Munoz.
Paz, Jan Koto, and Dovikos. Rob Jones. Munoz will chase. I can hand them out as well, and it very quickly gets quite fractured. Possibly could have got in, but they were just. Here's Kumas. He's got three waiting in the middle by Ryan Gravenberch. Szoboszlai. And he takes a clattering under the challenge. And Liverpool have got another free kick. Alexander Isak will make way with a few minutes to go for Will. Scrambling back to cover. It's João. Well, he was trying to hit that top corner. He just got underneath. Now again. It's flicked on at the near. They're backing off. And Frimpong's ball. Cody Gakpo! Super Liverpool goal. Made quite brilliantly by Jeremy Frimpong. And Cody Gakpo made the finish look remarkable. Back to Van Dijk. And this is Gakpo across the face of goal! What a half it's been for Jeremy Jacquet. His first 45 minutes in a Liverpool shirt is capped with a first goal for the club. Doesn't get much better than that.
What a moment.